Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I did a video about this last night, and somebody wrote on my YouTube channel if I would rotate the larger diamond 30 degrees, it would look more like the original. So we're going to give it a try. So here's the ones I did last night. I'm sorry I erased the other one. But what we're going to do, there's our circle. If you didn't watch, I'm going to call this part 2. So we're going to make a duplicate of that. Let's see how big our nudge factor is. We'll make our nudge factor 10 inches. And we're going to move this out of the way and make a duplicate and move it back. I'm going to use the original first. I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to take these two and go up to Effects and Blend. And I'm going to blend them 14 times. And then I'm going to go down here and get Blend a New Path. Put it on that path. Blend along full path. And I'm going to go ahead and rotate this so we can kind of look at it. And he might be right. I don't know as far as making it look like the original, but it'll look totally different. So we're going to go to Object and break the blend apart so we can get rid of our line. Then we're going to go ahead and group these together, Control G, and go ahead and make them black. And then we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. And one thing about it, the diamond is right in the middle of the X now. So we need to make sure our rotation is, and it is. And I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees. And then I'm going to rotate it again 20 degrees, and then Corel will take over and just rotate its heart out. And now what we're going to do, we're going to put that to the side. And we're going to move this over. And then this will be the one that has been rotated at 30 degrees, and just see the difference. New path. Blend along full path. And there is a difference. So maybe we'll see it. Let's go up to Object, break blend apart, grab our path, go ahead and group these together, Control G, turn them black, make it Control D with a duplicate, move our center rotation to the center, and I'm going to have to zoom in because this needs to be perfect. And we hit it the first time. 10 degrees, Control D, 20 degrees, and you can do this with the transformation docker and rotation. And let's look at them side by side. Really, the effect is kind of playing on your eyes. I think they look the same. Matter of fact, I like the original first best. But you can do it, I mean, look at the centers almost came out identical. That center versus that center. The edges, the diamonds are a little bit more straight ahead because I rotated them that way. I'm guessing I could have rotated them the other 30 degrees the other way. You know, but if you really look at this on your black and white screen, I can see faint circles of color. And then let's go ahead and do what we did to that last night. We made it blue, Object, Order, back a page to give it a true test. And they're really pretty close to the same. I actually like the original better because it looks like you can see the trail. These, you can't really see the trail because and maybe I should have rotated it 30 degrees the other way, but I can't imagine that would work. Anyway, just an idea. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.